how to change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can change currency on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you land on home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon with 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page here. Scroll down a bit and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Again, tap on Settings. Now, tap on the first section, that is Account Center. Once you get into Account Center, scroll down a bit and under Account Setting, tap on MetaPay. Now here under Setting, there you'll find an option as Security and Controls. Tap on it. Under Security, you will find an option to change the currency. Tap on Currency and here it says you can only change the currency once every 72 hours. So with that on your mind, tap on Continue. From here, you have to choose according to your preferences. Choose your currency and go back, and that's how you change currency on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.